In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Microsoft Teams recycle bin to retrieve your deleted items. If you've ever found yourself accidentally losing a file, or perhaps you deleted something you didn't mean to, don't worry. Today we're diving into the steps to recover those lost items with ease. First, let's start with files that have been deleted from a team channel. Begin by opening Microsoft Teams. Once you're in, navigate over to the specific team and channel where your file was initially stored before it was deleted. This is important because each team and channel has its own set of files and therefore its own recycle bin. Next, you'll want to click on the Files tab. This tab is your gateway to all files shared within that particular channel. Once you're in the Files tab, you're going to look for an option that says Open in SharePoint. You'll find this option typically located at the top menu. Clicking on it will take you to the SharePoint page associated with your team. On the SharePoint site, turn your attention to the left-hand menu. You'll see an option there labeled Recycle Bin. Go ahead and click that. This is where SharePoint stores all deleted files, and you'll be able to view a list of items that have been removed from the team channel. Once you've found the file you're looking for in the Recycle Bin, select it and then click Restore. This action will bring your file back to its original location as if it had never left. It's a lifesaver when you've accidentally removed something you need. Now, let's cover what to do if the file you're missing was shared in a private chat. In Microsoft Teams, files sent via private chats aren't hosted in SharePoint, but rather in OneDrive. So, to retrieve a file from a private conversation, you'll need to open OneDrive. Once you have OneDrive open, find and click on your recycle bin. This recycle bin serves a similar function by holding files you've deleted, making them recoverable. Now, much like we did in SharePoint, browse through the deleted files in your OneDrive recycle bin. When you see the file you wish to bring back, select it and click the Restore option. And there you have it. Whether a file has been deleted from a team channel or a private chat, recovering it is straightforward once you know where to look. Remember, staying calm and following these steps will make file recovery a breeze. Keep these tips handy and you'll never have to worry about accidentally deleting a file again.